Welcome guys. So in today's quick video, I just want to walk you through the bookkeeping crash course. So I know there are quite a few of you that, you probably have tax preparation experience. You've probably been in taxes for a few years or maybe just recently, but after maybe even listening to my videos or just really understanding the tax business model, you know that it's a great idea to add bookkeeping to your service offerings. So bookkeeping, I tell people all the time that bookkeeping and taxes is like peanut butter and jelly. They just go together, right? And so it's really going to allow you to have what I call monthly reoccurring income. So taxes is that, that one lump sum in a very short period of time. You're going to be able to, have an influx of cash flow between January and April. But after April, most tax businesses don't have a way to monetize their services after tax season. So bookkeeping is a great way to bring in that monthly recurring revenue. It's a great stabilizer for your business because if you're able to generate 5 to 10 grand per month in bookkeeping services, now the money that you make during tax season, that money can be deployed to maybe investing in real estate, investing in stocks and bonds, reinvesting it back into your company, saving for retirement, or even starting a new business venture that you might be more passionate about. But bookkeeping is going to allow you to never have to worry about getting another job again. It's really going to allow you to really be financially free, right? Because you're going to have a predictable way of knowing how much money you're going to be making every single month. So like I said, bookkeeping is a great service to add to your tax business. And so what I've done, I've created what's called a bookkeeping crash course. Now, obviously, I'm not a university. I can't teach you all the aspects of accounting and finance, but if I can at least get you to the position to where you're confident to take on a bookkeeping client, get that first bookkeeping client in the door, and you actually feel confident that you're able to do the work, sky's the limit from there. Because as soon as you get your first client, that's where the real world practice will begin. So learning bookkeeping and accounting via textbook, reading, or through this course, that's all fine and dandy. But really the real world confidence, the real world experience in your mastery is going to come from actually just working with people and continuing to build up your skills and continue really to invest in your education. So I want to show you bookkeeping crash course. I want to introduce you to bookkeeping crash course so you can know what's all in the program and what it is going to allow you to do. So this is the bookkeeping crash course student portal. So soon after you make your investment and you purchase the course, you're going to have immediate access to your student portal where you're going to access this course content. So we start off with a welcome to the course overview. I kind of give you the lay of the land of what this course entails. We also have a private Facebook mastermind group. So you have access to me every single day. Facebook is where I hang out, where all of my clients hang out every single day. So if you have a question about a bookkeeping scenario or a bookkeeping client or onboarding a client, or you don't know how to categorize a transaction, whatever the case may be, you can post your questions and you will get a support every single day. We also have live Q&A calls every 15th and 30th of the month. So again, if you just want to troubleshoot a client, if you need additional support, if you have questions that you want to ask me, you can ask me live every 15th and 30th. And then finally, if by chance, you've exhausted those possibilities and you want more private support, you can email me here at hello@christatias.com and I can support you through there. Now, we do offer a refund policy. So listen, if this program, if you get in it and you look around and it's not for you, you have 14 days to go ahead and shoot us an email. You don't have to give us your reason why. Just be like, hey, I want my money back, right? Because we are in the business to make you guys happy. We want to make sure that we are providing the best and quality training experience that we possibly can. So if it's not for you, if my training style is not for you, no worries, you can go ahead and ask for your money back. So let's look at some of what else is included in the course. I'm going to go back to the bookkeeping crash course portal. So right here, we start off with your fundamentals. So this is where I give you an overview of bookkeeping and I really break down the 3 most important financial statements that you're going to be going over with your clients. This is going to allow you to really help your clients make better decisions. It's going to allow your clients to see the health of their business, the health of their finances, and where they can actually strategically better manage their cash and better manage their business operations so they can be more profitable and be more successful. So we start off with the balance sheet. I give you the ins and outs of the balance sheet, the ins and outs of the income statement, as well as the cash flow statement. So once you have the basics of bookkeeping, credits, debits, assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, then we go into the work. So we start off with reconciling the bank. A big part of bookkeeping is really categorizing transactions, reconciling the bank. And so I go over that in detail. We also go over cleaning up the client's books, because unfortunately, there are millions of businesses that don't take bookkeeping seriously. And honestly, a good portion of your bookkeeping clients will probably be cleanup work, where a business hadn't been doing their bookkeeping. They hadn't been keeping track of their accounts receivable, their accounts payable, their day-to-day transactions. Like, they haven't been keeping track at all. So it's going to be your job to go in and clean everything up, get everything caught up. So I have a whole course or a whole video dedicated to just cleaning up a client's books. Next, we get into the advanced work. So this is where I give you a bonus video that's actually from my Tax and Accounting Clients on Demand program. This is a complete step-by-step onboarding of your first client. So as soon as you get a bookkeeping client, they're like, yep, I want you to be my bookkeeper. I give you the step-by-step process on how to onboard that client. I give you the email that you should onboard them. I give you the step-by-step workflow on how you're going to handle that client. So this is a bonus video. Just this video alone is worth the price of the program. Next, we get into QuickBooks Online Crash Course. So I give you a crash course on QuickBooks Part 1, where we're actually talking about how to sync your very first QuickBooks client. And then Part 2, just going over the lay of the land of QuickBooks and how you're actually going to navigate the software. And then finally, in this section is monitoring cash flow. So, I put this in here because I firmly believe that helping your clients monitor their cash flow is a huge service to your clients. Is definitely a value added service. So this is more so getting, really going towards more CFO services, right? Those chief financial officer services. This is where you're helping your clients strategically set up a budget, where you're strategically helping them set up their cash flow. You're helping them forecast their cash flow so you can help them avoid any pitfalls when it comes to the finances of their business. So I give you a crash course on cash flow and how to help your clients monitor their cash flow so they can be more successful in their businesses and therefore be able to pay you more money, right? So if you help your clients make more money, that's just more money that they're going to be able to pay you. So it is a worthy ideal to really figure out how to help your people make more money, how to be more successful with their business. And then finally, we wrap things up. I hate to say goodbye, but the course does have to end at some point. So I wrap it up and I let you know on different ways that we can continue our relationship. So this is for you if you are completely new to bookkeeping. This is for you if you've never really onboarded a bookkeeping client before, your own bookkeeping client. This is for you if you have already been doing tax preparation, but you really want to add bookkeeping services to your service suite. This is for you if you really crave that monthly recurring income coming in, that you can use this income in order to quit your 9-to-5 job. Okay, so this program is for you if you want support, if you just don't want to buy a course and just have it on your proverbial, course shelf, your book/course shelf that you never accessed, but you actually want support. You want to be able to turn to a mentor, to turn to a coach and ask some questions about real world client situations and get help on it. So this is definitely for you. So I'm going to put the link below to check out Bookkeeping Crash Course. The price is absolutely cheap. And, I'm just going to call it like it is. It's cheap. It is a great investment in your knowledge, a great investment in, just your entrepreneurial journey. And I can't wait to support you. If you have any questions about the course that I didn't cover in today's video, you can go ahead and drop your comments below. I hope to see you inside the program. I hope to see you inside our private Facebook group, as well as our bi-monthly Q&A calls. And guys, it's been great as always. Drop your comments below and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.